This is Brandon Dugas of BD Custom Guitars, coming to you with a quick 1 or 2 minute sound check of the blue and purple RG. It's got a purple there. Let's try and get the blue and the purple to come out. There we go. See? Change colors depending on the light hitting it. It's kind of orange for a second there, but whatever. I love the finish on this. So let's just run through a quick sound check, a couple of riffs. Right now I'm using an Uber Metal pedal by Line 6 and a little 10-watt Fender amp. Alright, let's go. I guess that's it, just a couple of quick riffs to show you guys how it sounds. Looks good, sounds good. Not the best, but it's good. Well, first build that I started, but second build that I'm finishing, so thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, because I'm getting better now. Like, the builds are getting better. At the beginning I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but now I actually know what I'm doing a little bit. So the next builds, which are going to be the white and gold and cinnamon pearl pickguard Strat, and then I'll think of another build to start eventually. Probably the SG that I bought a few weeks ago. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.